Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Peritrades, and if you're new to my channel, please remember to like and subscribe. So in this video, I want to show you today's market, February 26th. The market pretty much all day was a choppy market. There was no really trend in either direction. So as you can see here, I have my strategy. They consist of 4 indicators that I use to determine whether I should enter the market or not. So while I was waiting for a setup, none of the setup did really start. So I'll wait till tomorrow and try again to see if I can get into a trade. So I'm going to take this opportunity to kind of show you my strategy. So I'm going to go back and I'm going to show you all the entries that I would have taken if I had taken any trades in the past. They work well, very well. They haven't not disappointed me. So let me explain the strategy. So I have an indicator here. These are 2 colors. They're shaded blue and green, and that determines whether I should go long. And also too, I have the purple and red shade, and that determines whether I should go short. So in addition to that, I also have this indicator here, which is similar to the squeeze. Well, it is kind of like the squeeze, where you're in the squeeze when you see the red dots, and when you're not in the squeeze, it's sort of like a breakout trade. So once you're out of the breakout or out of the squeeze, then it's sort of like a breakout. You're good to go. In addition to these 2, I also have this indicator here, which I believe I called it the Peri Pulse. This is the Peri Pulse right here. So as long as this line is below this line or trending or sloping down, then that's a good indication that I'm also not in a sideways market. And also I have this indicator here, which is the Peri Flow indicator here, that as long as I'm above this line here and it's sloping up, then that's a good indication that I'm in a strong trend. So I have these 4 indicators. When all 4 conditions are true, then I'm safe to enter the trade. So let me show you some of the entries. So this is going short. This is going short. This right here is another entry going short. This is another short trade right here. And all these arrows, don't worry about the color. Sometimes the color is green or red. I actually put these arrows in here to show you where I would enter the trade based off my conditions. So I would enter here short, here short. Now remember, these are based on my entry. So once I get all 4 conditions I met, then I went ahead and placed the arrow so you can see where my trade would begin. So here I would go long. Here I'd go long. And here I will go short. Here I'll go short. I'm going to keep going. Here I go long. So you can see that these are good entry points. Say here I go long right here. I go long right here. So let me go ahead and measure this right here. So if I take it here, this is where my indicators are telling me to enter, and then I can take whatever profit target I set, or I can go to the very end. Now how do I know when to exit? Well, I know when to exit because I added this double stochastic here. So whenever this double stochastic slopes down, then I know when to get out. Then that's when I get out. Or I can look at just my squeeze indicator here. Once it turns to the light blue, then it gives me an early indication that the trend is weakening and I should be coming out of the trade. And for this trade from here to here, that's about $3,000 right there. So let's look at some other entries. Here's a good entry right here. And you can see that this indicator gives good indication of where the squeeze is and where not to enter the trade. I enter the trade here for a good short. Here, into the trade here for a long. And you can see here all this is all the squeeze. Here is all consolidated. It's not really a true trend, and so this indicator tells me to avoid it. And here is a long. Keep going. These are all short, like I say, purple and red. And then I have my indicators here. These are short entries right here. This is a long entry. I can keep going. This is a long entry here. This is a short entry here. This is a long entry. Let's measure that. Say from here, and let's say worst case scenario. Let's say it closes here. So that's 1,280. Got a long entry here, long entry here, long, short, and that's it. So this was the last week trading session, the end of the last week trading session right here. So this is today. So as you can see here, I have no setups here. So you can see, even though this is purple and this is red, so you can see here it's all in the squeeze. So I would not get into a trade right here, and definitely this line is not above this line. So that's basically it. So I showed you my entries. My strategy works well. So I'm looking forward to trading the live market tomorrow, and I'll let you know when I get into a trade. Again, I want to thank you for watching my channel. Please remember to like and subscribe, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.